All right guys, it's Jay with Texas Speed. Today we are talking about mini hoops. If you're somebody that does not know when to stop turning up the boost, this video is for you. What do mini hoops do? Our mini hoops provide maximum clamping force between the block and the head, mainly surrounding the combustion chamber. Because of the increased clamping force of our mini hoops, you can safely run more boost on your application. Our mini hoops are our own proprietary design, inspired by Top Fuel dragster hoops in high horsepower applications. Our hoops are designed to be more affordable and more street friendly for you boosted guys. So one of the benefits of our mini hoops is they are very low maintenance. Say you need to refresh your block or anything like that, the hoops are reusable and there's no need for any maintenance on them. One of the other benefits of our mini hoops is it does not require any specific cylinder head. You can use any cylinder head with our application. You can use a standard MLS gasket. There's no need for an MLX or anything like that. MLSs work perfectly fine. Unlike most people where they machine them into the aluminum cylinder head, we machine ours into our iron sleeve. Rather than putting it in the cylinder head, when you clamp it down, it actually will sink into the aluminum of the cylinder head, rather than on our iron, there's no chance of it sinking. When do you need mini hoops? Say on a stock block application, you need mini hoops anywhere from 1,000 to 1,200 horsepower. Say you have a aluminum re-sleeve block, we recommend anywhere from about 1,300 to 1,400, and a dart block application right around 1,500 horsepower. So one of the things with our mini hoops is we only provide them on our new Texas Speed builds, starting right at $1,000, but can vary depending on your application. Our mini hoops are a racing component, so they require proper fuel, tuning, maintenance, and any improper setup can lead to failure.